Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Cryptoland. Hope you all are doing good and having a great day. As you all know, we talk about new projects, new websites, and I always try to introduce those projects to you in which you can invest and get a good return. So today I'm here with another great project to share with you all, and we'll know more about the project. But before we begin, I want you all to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you. All right, so this is our project for today. It's Million Starter Meet Social Q, the queen of the apps, driven by MST token. So MST is token governance token of Million Starter, and this is a decentralized premium social network and dating. Phantom chart, wallet and exchange, Web3 browser, NFT marketplace, and Q protection phone assurance. So you have a link to buy MST token. Then we have their white paper. You can check out their white paper to know more about their vision and what their thoughts are about the project. We have countdown to their ICO private sale. You have 4 days left to join their private sale. You can buy from their private sale. They are currently in their private sale phase, and you can buy it. You have 4 days left to join them. So you have the currencies that is acceptable: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDT, etc. And the price of MST is 0.022 USD. And minimum you can buy from their ICO private sale is 10102 USD. So you have 4 days left to buy from their private sale. Just click on the link and you can join their private sale right from here. Then you can download their white paper and you can go through it, and we have links to their social channels. You can follow them on their social channels to stay updated about the project and to stay updated about their sales, etc. So we have their Twitter as well, Facebook, Medium, and you can join their Telegram community. So if you have anything, any question about the project, any query, so you can get in touch with the team and you will be responded quickly. Plus, you will be able to know more about the investors, the community, and you will be part of the community. So it's better join them on their social channels, and let's follow them on Twitter as well. So here we have Twitter account of Million Starter. You can follow them on Twitter, and you can find recent tweets from here as well. That Million Starter ICO tweet. We have built an ICO which was made to be growing and has a real and strong background. You have the chance to be part of our Million Starter community. You can join us via this link. So you have link to register and join them on their ICO. You have 4 days left. So here you can sign up for Million Starter ICO and you can be part of their private sale. You have their white paper. You can go through their white paper. You will find all the details here on their white paper. What is social q? So social q is the app for apps. We present the trendiest social network app powered by MST token, a community run by ordinary people. This has never happened before. Now together with you we will make it happen. So the token itself is the driving force behind our app. Social Q is a decentralized premium social connection building network run by MST token holders. Here, no company will have a say in the running of the site, no excluded profiles or blocked content. Then we are a family. Buy me a coffee. I want a date. So this is a dating app as well. From now on, you will be able to post location-based status updates, and in this way, find a partner. As investors, we had to know what needs to meet. So we have spent the last 2 years gaining experience, and we are going to make a lot of money with you in the coming years. And the Meet feature would help users connect with like-minded people and similar interests, even to develop new business and job opportunities. Then you can go through it more information about the dating app. And then the key feature of social q is q pass. No password ever needed again. Thanks to our latest q pass development, you will never have to worry about forgetting your password and the annoyance it causes. So because you will become the algorithm, the password, thanks to our genius face recognition and voice analysis, we can eliminate this problem. So you don't have to go through password, etc. You will be able to access this app, access this account by face recognition and voice. Then phantom chart, the basic element of the social queue network, dating, meet, which can also be used separately by the user. So, Phantom Chart is a blockchain based solution that provides complete security against hacking, online attacks, financial fraud, data, and identity theft. It has also a strong encryption infrastructure and capabilities that support the transmission of text messages, video, voice, and files, and as well as the secure transfer of payments and funds on the blockchain. So you have more details about Phantom Charter as well. You can go through their white paper and you will find every information about their wallet, exchanges, and all the things about the project. That how does their token functions, what are the benefit of the token distribution, token burning, their team details, and who is it recommended for, and then the problem solution, etc. So you have the white paper and you can go through their white paper to find all the things about the project and the mission behind this. Let's get back to our website. Okay, so we have their partners mentioned here, and then the benefits of MST token. So it has been created by investors for investors, designed for growth. So the liquidity is bonus 6% of the sales price is automatically added to the liquidity pool in order to increase the company's liquidity. Then token burning program. Every month, Million Starter burns 5% of all MST token that was spent on advertising. Then refunding program. Our company starts a token refunding program using the 5% of operational profit in order to boost the value of the token. Automatic reward. Every holder will receive a bonus upon the transaction. At the time of the sale, 7% of the transaction will be divided among the owners. Then P2P transaction, you can super easily send or receive MST token to or from friends, family, and via Phantom Chart. Then staking bonus, receive a part of Million Starter every month. 10% of the total income will be redistributed among MST stakers. MST is the only type of currency that can buy you NFT tokens, adverts, services, and online dating memberships in the Social Q app and later on the Milamosop dating site. So the currency which is using in this app is MST token. So you have to buy MST token, you have to hold it, and you will be getting a reward as well for holding MST token. Here we have details of Social Q Mega app introduction. So Social Q is a social date meet app, first of all, the feature. So with the help of Social Q, you can find your perfect partner, can find new friends, and acquire successful business, while your personal data is completely protected by a unique artificial intelligence. With the help of wallet, you can easily, quickly, and safely buy, send, and receive, store all kinds of coins and tokens. Q supports more than 50 blockchains and 200 plus cryptocurrencies. Then Phantom Chart. Phantom Chart is a blockchain based solution, which means that you are protected against financial fraud and you can send your photos or documents for a preset price. Then Web3 browser, you will have access to our NFT and fan platform, the Milemosok dating site, and other exciting apps, stock markets, marketplaces, and more using our Web3 browser. Feel free to browse anonymously and untraceable. And then the protection, of course, eye protection and Q protection are being merged. You will be able to buy protection monthly or yearly payment options. You have a monthly payment option as well and yearly payment option as well. So for your new or used mobile phone with a single click. Then one of the keystones of our Social Q app is the dating function. It has been tested for a year now, and as part of the individual Milamasok project, the user experience and the interface have been designed in the line with their customers' need. As a result of the testing period, we have shed light on a market opportunities that will help acquire significant global market share in the dating business within 5 to 10 years. So the combination of Phantom Chart, business and social functions together create a social Q platform, which will contribute to the exponential growth of the project. So we have checked every feature of Social Q app, their ratings app, their browser as well, and the provides privacy and protection that they are providing. So this is a great thing, and they have said many things and many great things for their investors and for their users. Now we have their roadmap. You can check out their roadmap from here. So 2018, the quarter one, the idea of dating services born. Our dream is to create a quality dating services across multiple segments to provide genuine quality users with a dating service. Then 2018 quarter 2 development is underway. The beta version of dating service is ready and 5,000 registered users. 2019 version 1.0 of the dating service is ready. We reached the milestone number of 10,000 users. The birth of the million starter idea, company information, and establishing the legal background. Then 2020 quarter one attracting investors, $115,000 raised thanks to 43 small investors, and we started to further develop the milestone dating site. And then we start selling tokens privately, circle of acquaintances. We are expanding our teams and media explosion and PR appearances. The birth of MST token and social queue, creating the token platform plus web, we start planning the ICO, initial coin offering, their private pre-sale and MST token creation. Then our new dating site is up and running, and new dating system, media explosion, marketing camping, and TV appearances. In 2021 quarter 4, they will start application development, start further developments, introducing the full social queue design plan and listing on PancakeSwap, huge price draw. And later on, their plans are MST team expands up to 25. Our Q wallet becomes available. Q date meet becomes available. Social queue web interference, introducing social queue prediction. Phantom chart goes live, introducing the test version of social queue network. And we are ready with the full social queue app. So we have their roadmap here, and you can check that what they have planned for the future, and then the token division they have mentioned, how much is reserved for pre-sale, private sale, and public sale. And moreover, we have their official contract address, the BB20 Binance Smart Chain based token, and we have their official contract address, their max supply, token symbol, etc. Everything you can find on their website. Accepted payment terms we have already checked, and you can more find it here that Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Mastercard, etc. So these currencies are acceptable. Okay, so now we have the token allocation, and 3% is preserved for pre-sale, 8% for liquidity, 30% for public sale, 5% for 22% for marketing, and 2% for private sale, 15% for development. And sale funds allocation is here. So the 3% will be for legal bonus, 40% for development, 5% is reserved, and 35% for marketing, and 15% for team. So private sale was started from 18 September for 30 days, and the price is 0.022. Then 18th October they will start private sale. The price will be 0.03, and 18 November the price will be 0.04. That will be started their pre-sale, and then the public sale price will be 0.06, and then IDO 18 March price will be 0.08. So they have introduced their bonus system as well. Extra tokens are given away upon reaching a purchasing threshold for a single purchase only. So more than 400 USD, you will be getting 3% of extra bonus, and then more than 1000 USD, you will be getting 6% of extra bonus, and more than 2500 USD, you will be getting 10% of extra bonus tokens. So you have their team members mentioned here. You can check out their team details from their website. Docs team you have every information of their team members here. You have their contact details. You can get in touch with them via the email, and you can join the Telegram community. So if you want to ask anything about the project, if you have any queries, so you can get in touch with them and you will be responded quickly. All right. So this was our website for today. You have all the details mentioned on website. Team is docs. You can find details of team as well. And then if you don't know how to buy, so you have a written tutorial as well. You can download this and go through it. So you will know that how you can buy MST token, and you can have a social queue app as well. And MST is the governance token of social queue. You have 4 days left to buy MST token from their private sale. You can join them on their private sale. The currency that are acceptable is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Mastercard, Visa, etc. More you can find details on their white paper as well, and I'll provide the link in the description so you can check out the project by yourself, do your research, and then invest in it. I hope you like the website. If yes, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.